Hello friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about adding design element in Adobe Dreamweaver. Adding text. To insert text, simply click inside a cell and type in your content. When you click enter, Dreamweaver automatically adds paragraph spacing. To add a line space, click shift plus enter. Inserting image step. First, click in the cell where you want the image to appear. Second, click insert, then click on image. Third, locate the image you want to insert. Fourth, click choose to insert the image. Note, all of your images should be saved in images folder that you established when you started. Here we can give image name. Here we can give image width. Here we can give image height. Here we can give image size. Image properties inspector. Image properties inspector allows you to give the name of the image, change the size of the image, see where the image file is located, link the image to a file or a site, edit the image. Edit launches Fireworks to edit individual image. Optimize in a Fireworks compresses JPEG and GIF files. Crop the image. Brightness contrast adjust brightness and contrast of image. Sharpen increase sharpness of image. Formatting page property. To change the background color of your page or other overall properties of your website, go to modify, then click on page property. Here in the page property window, you can set the default font text size, text color and background for all of your pages. Page property appearance window. Here 5 categories: appearance, link, heading, title, tracing image. We select appearance. Here we can give page font. Here we can give page size in a pixel. Here we can give text color. Then click on OK. Thank you for watching this tutorial.